Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the one of the important topics, that is HCF. What is the topic? Is a HCF, highest common factor. How to find out the highest common factor of the given two numbers, and it is called as a greatest common divisor. What is that? Greatest common divisor, GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. Okay, highest common factor HCF or greatest common divisor GCD. So today we are going to discuss about this topic. Love you open page number 100 and highest common factor is coming to the topic. Page number 115. All of you open in your textbooks. Here, see, first of all, what is the HCF? What is the HCF? Means highest common factor. Highest common factor. దానిలోనే ఉంది చూడండి, heading లో ఉంది highest common factor. Means suppose we are going to take any two numbers, we have to find out the factors. Means factors of the two numbers, and the common factor, the highest common factor of the given two numbers is called the HCF for that two numbers. Okay, ఏదైనా మనం రెండు నంబర్స్ తీసుకొని ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన తర్వాత దానిలో కామన్గా ఉన్న ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏంటో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ కామన్గా ఉన్న ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది highest in those are all. Which one is the highest factor, which one is the biggest factor, we have to find out that one only the highest common factor of the given numbers. Okay, see here in some information is there here. HCF or GCD of two or more numbers is the greatest number that divides each of the number without laying any remainder. It is the greatest common factor among all the common factors. So em leduma, nothing is there, leave this one. Compare two numbers. Okay, take two numbers and find out those factors individually. After that, find out the common factors in both. Take both numbers and find out the common factors in both. Write the common factors down. After that, in that common factors, which one is the biggest one, find out that one only the common factor, highest common factor of the given numbers. Okay, I am going to explain with example. See here, highest common factor HCF by factorization method. Factorization method లో అంటే మనము నంబర్కి ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ చేసి నంబర్ని ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ చేసి దాని ద్వారా మనము ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం, హైయెస్ట్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. సో హియర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈస్ దేర్. ఫైండ్ HCF ఆఫ్ 28, 36. So what we have to do first here, మనం ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇండివిజువల్ we are going to factorize the numbers individually. First of all 28, take 28. What are the factors? 2. Okay, factors, division method I am going to take. First of all find out the factors like this. 1 into 20. First of all take 28. 1 into 28, next 2 into 14, next 4 into 7. Okay, these are all the factors. So therefore factors of 28 is equal to what are the factors now? 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Yes, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. These are the factors of 28. In the same way, find out the factors of 36 also. 36, find out the factors. 1 into 36, 2 into 1 into 36, 2 into how many times? 18. Next 3 into 12. 4 into 9, yes, 4 into 9, 5, no, 6 into 6, 6 into 6, next 7, no, 8, no, 9, again 9, so 6 into 6, 36, up to here, enough. See, tarvata 6 6 are 36, 6 into 6, 36, Remaining 7 4 jar again 7 no 8 no 9 yeah it is repeated already we get 9 here no so up to here stop otherwise you can write ma up to here also again 9 into 4 12 into 3 18 into 2 36 into 1 so these are all the factors of what are the factors of 36 these are all factors of 36 ma so write down factors of 36 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12 comma 18 comma 36 so up to here all of you clear next coming to the common factors in these to find out what are the common factors here one is there circle those common factors here 1 2 2 3 here not 3 is not there so leave 3 4 yes 4 here 7 here 7 is not there 14 not there 28 not there so what are the common factors we find from both ma so write down the common factors now common factors of factors is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 4 so what are the common factors 1 comma 2 comma 4 so highest common factor so highest common factor means in these three factors which one is the highest number in these three which one is the highest one ma 4 so HCF highest common factor of 28 comma 36 is equal to what ma 4 this is the answer understood how to find out the highest common factor by factorization method nothing is there ma see here first of all write the factors of 28 write the factors of 36 so I am writing here 28 factors and 36 factors after that compare these two factors compare the factors of these two numbers ma compare जैसे common factors ने रासानो what are the common factors 1 2 4 those are the common factors okay in those the high what is the HCF means highest common factor highest common factor means in these three numbers which one is the biggest number 4 is the biggest number so I take it as a common factor the highest common factor of given numbers okay this is the factorization method ma finding the HCF by factorization method understood all of you this is the process okay based on this example 2 also there here ma once check that one check that one next ma HCF highest common factor by prime factor method next method is prime factor method and division method two methods are there first one is prime factor method and the second one is a division method okay so this one see ma now I am going to explain the prime factor method what is the method ma prime factor method see prime factor method okay prime factor method ma here I am going to take one example page number 158 see wait prime factor method here one example is that find the HCF of find the HCF of 20 and 30 using prime factor method okay using prime factor method ma see how to find out the HCF by using prime factor method so first of all we have to find out the factors of prime factors of the given number first of all I am going to take 20 and I am going to find out the prime factors of this 20 how to find out the prime factors of this 20 using division method already I explained in the previous class only division method and factor tree method okay so that is the division method now see here prime factor method is 2 10 times again 2 5 times so again 5 1 time so next coming to the 30 Find out the factors of 30. Same like this only. 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. Okay. So, factors of 20. What are the factors of 20? What are the factors of 20, ma? Prime factors 2 into 5. Next, what are the factors of 30? Factors of 30. 2 into 3 into 5. Now, what are the common factors here? What are the common factors? Circle. Here common factors 2 and 5. Okay, what are the common factors? 2 and 5. Now, therefore, common factors of 20, 30 is equal to 20, 30 common factors what ma? 2 into 5. So, HCF highest common factor of 20, 30 is equal to, what is the highest common factor ma? 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So, highest common factor of 20, 30 is equal to what ma? 10. So, this is the process. Understood all of you? In finding the HCF by prime factor method. Okay, this is a prime factor method, and one more method is there, that is a HCF by division method. Okay, how to find out the factor by division method, how to find out the HCF by division method, I am going to explain in the next class. Okay, so first of all, prime factor method, and before what I explained that one ma, prime factorization method, not prime ma, only factorization method. This is a prime factor method. Okay, so exercise number 2, page number 117, in page number 117, exercise number 2 is there ma. Here find the HCF using factorization method, first bit, and find the HCF by using a prime factor method. Already now only I explained these two methods ma, and so complete these two in exercise number 2, first bit and second bit, complete total sums ma, yourself only based on the methods what I explained now only, using that methods, and complete these two bits, first one and second one. Next, third one is finding the HCF by the following division method. In division method I am going to explain in next class. Now after that we complete that one also. Okay, up to here HCF is completed ma, and in HCF one more method is the division method. That one is I am going to explain in the next class. Okay, thank you.